Paradise is a quintessential style and dot necklace. It combines hand-painted enamel brooches in just a really whimsical, fun way. This piece really speaks to a trend towards ladylike dressing, as seen on the runway at Louis Vuitton. Just very classic, tailored looks. I love the color palette of this necklace with the turquoise and the hot pink and the coral, and it wardrobes really well with any yellow, coral, light green, hot pink. It's just surprisingly versatile. This necklace was really fun to design. I just found all these really whimsical brooches at a vintage market and just combined them in an unexpected way. My favorite detail on the necklace is the little pave bird. I just think it's a really nice juxtaposition with the flowers, and I love this beautiful lacy vintage chain. I would pair this necklace with the matching Paradise studs. It's just really a little cute mini version of the white flower that's in the necklace.